In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a VAT only purchase invoice in Xero. This quick process will guide you through managing your invoices effectively in just a few moments. Let's dive right in and make sure your finances are in order. First things first, you'll want to log into your Xero account, so go ahead and navigate over to the Xero login page. If you're not logged in already, click on the login button and enter your email and password. Once you've entered your details, hit log in again to access your Xero dashboard. This is where most of your accounting magic happens. Now, once you're on the dashboard, look for the business menu and click on it. This section houses various financial operations, and it's where we're headed to sort out your purchase invoice. Within the business tab, click on bills to pay. This is your central hub for managing bills and ensuring everything is accounted for. Having reached the bills to pay section, you'll see a button labelled new bill. Click on it to kickstart the process of entering a new invoice. Here you'll need to type in your contact name. This is typically the name of the supplier or service provider you're invoicing for. Make sure you have this detail handy for a seamless process. Next, you should adjust the date of the invoice. It's crucial that this date reflects the actual transaction timing for accurate records. Once done, move on and enter details such as the description of the service or goods, the quantity involved, and the unit price. These fields are the core details of your transaction and must be filled in accurately. At this point, it's important to select the correct account from your chart of accounts. This ensures that expenses or the purchases you're documenting are categorized properly. Now set the tax rate to no VAT, as we're specifically handling VAT only invoices. Subsequently confirm by clicking on no VAT. This step is key since we want to differentiate these entries from regular invoices that include VAT. Just before finalizing, ensure that you set the amounts as tax exclusive. This clarifies that the figures you're entering here don't include VAT, aligning perfectly with the invoice type we're documenting today. Finally, with everything double checked, click approve. This step finalizes the entry of your VAT only purchase invoice, making it official in your Xero account. You'll be able to review this invoice at any time, ensuring it's part of your financial records and reports. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You're now all set up with your VAT only purchase invoices seamlessly updated in Xero. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, staying on top of these details keeps your financial records accurate and up to date. Happy accounting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.